Pleasant day to the eager and young learners. It's me, Dr. Shobha Edward, Principal, Associate Professor and Head of the Department of Corporate Secretaryship, KCS Kasinada College of Arts and Science, here to give you a presentation on the annual value of house property. So, when it comes to the calculation of annual value of house property, we shall take into consideration a few practical problems. Mr. Ramarao has taken a shop on a rent with a monthly rent of 2000. He has sublet 25% of the area at 1000 per month. He's incurred 4000 as repairs to the shop. Now we are going to calculate his income from subletting. Income from subletting, we already know, is considered as income from other sources and not under the head income from house property. So when it comes to income from subletting, the income received by him is 1000 per month. So for 12 months it is 2000, and the rent paid with regard to 25% of the area. For the entire house it is 2000. So 2000 into 12 is 24,000, and 25% is only sublet. So 25% of 24,000 is 6,000. Same way, repairs for the entire house is 4,000 and 25% is let out. So 25% of 4,000 is 1,000. So the expenses with regard to the let out sublet portion is 7,000. Income is 12,000. Expense is 7,000. So the income from subletting is 5,000. So here you have a similar type of problem for you to practice. So you may try out this problem, and the answer for income from subletting for this question is also provided. Now moving on to the next situation. Mr. X owns a house. 2/3 of the portion is let out for 4,000 per month and 1/3 is self-occupied for 7 months and let out for 5 months. So we are calculating its fair rental value. Rent of 2/3 of the portion is 4,000 per month. It is given. The fair rental value of the full house is 4,000 into 3 by 2, which is 6,000. So this is how the fair rental value of the house is taken. Now moving on to the next question. There is one person who's constructed a multi-story building at Delhi consisting of 40 flats, each flat let out at 1000 per month. The municipal authorities have fixed the rental value of this property as 4,50,000 per annum. So 4,50,000 is the MRV. Owner bears the following expenses: lift maintenance, pump maintenance, salary of gardener and watchman, swimming pool expenses. So these are the cost of facilities which have to be subtracted from the actual rent. MRV, the municipal rental value, which I just said, is 4,50,000. Actual rent, 40 flats, 1,000 each for 12 months is 4,80,000. Cost of facilities, that is the 12,000, 8,000, 3,600 and 9,000 put together is 32,600, which is subtracted from the actual rent. So our actual rent turns out to be 4,47,400. Now we have the MRV of 4,50,000 and actual rent of 4,47,400. So from 4,80,000 we have subtracted the cost of facilities, and the value we get is the actual rent now. We are comparing MRV and actual rent, which is more. 4,50,000 is taken as ARV. Now there is a similar problem for you to practice. So you can find out the income from house property with regard to this question as well. Now going on to the expected rental value in the following situations. Expected rental value is nothing but MRV or FRV, which is more, that or standard rent, which is less. The answer you get is ERV, the expected rental value. So case A, 30,000 or 36,000, which is more, 36,000. And standard rent is not applicable, so 36,000 is the ERV. This second situation, MRV or FRV, which is more, 36,000. That or standard rent, which is less, 33,000 is less. So 33,000 is taken as ERV. Now going on to the third situation, MRV 30,000, FRV 33,000, 36,000 and standard rent 42,000. MRV or FRV, which is more, 36,000. That or standard rent, which is less, again 36,000. So expected rental value is 36,000 in this case. So this is the expected rental value with regard to that particular house. You have a similar question where MRV is 1,08,000, FRV is 1,20,000, standard rent is 1,02,000. MRV or FRV, which is more, 1,20,000. That or standard rent, which is less, 1,02,000 is less. So expected rental value is 1,02,000. If standard rent is not applicable, it is 1,08,000 or 1,20,000, which is more, 1,20,000, and we stop with that as ERV. Now moving on to a situation where MRV is 60,000, FRV is 66,000. Actual rent is 72,000 and standard rent is 69,000. So first we'll work out situation A. MRV or FRV, which is more, 66,000. That or standard rent, which is less, 66,000 again. This or actual rent, which is more, 72,000 is more. So 72,000 is the annual rental value. Now in B situation, MRV or FRV, which is more, FRV 66,000 is more. That or standard rent, which is less, 66,000 is less. This or actual rent, which is more, again the same, 66,000 is more. So ARV is 66,000. So here's another situation, and they say there is, both the houses are let out throughout the year, that is there is no vacancy and there is no unrealized rent. So here MRV or FRV, which is more, 1 lakh. That or standard rent, which is less, so 70,000 is less. That or actual rent, which is more, 1,20,000 is more. So 1,20,000 is the gross annual value. Here in situation B, 80,000 or 1 lakh, which is more, 1 lakh is more. 1 lakh or 1,20,000, which is less, 1 lakh is less. 1 lakh or 90,000, which is more, 1 lakh is more. So 1 lakh is taken as the gross annual value. A similar situation, MRV 60,000, FRV 75,000, which is more, 75,000. That or standard rent, which is not applicable, so 75,000 is more. Then we compare it with the actual rent, which is more, so 75,000 is taken as the annual rental value. Here 48,000 or 60,000, which is more, 60,000. That or 72,000, which is less, 60,000. This or 54,000, which is more, 60,000. So annual rental value is 60,000. Then the situation C, 36,000 or 45,000, which is more, 45,000 is more. That or 42,000, which is less, 42,000 is less. This or 40,000, which is more, 42,000 is taken as the annual rental value. Now, the last situation, 96,000 or 1,16,000, which is more, 1,16,000. This or standard rent 1,15,000, which is less, 1,15,000 is less. This or actual rent of 1,20,000, which is more, 1,20,000 is more. So, 1,20,000 is taken as the annual rental value. So, this is how the annual rental value is found out. So, thank you and have happy and smart learning. Thank you.